Today we're exploring Switch on Your Brain, the key to peak happiness, thinking, and health by Dr. Caroline Leaf. This book delves into the connection between our thoughts and overall well-being, emphasizing the power of the mind to shape our brain and body. Dr. Leaf introduces the concept of neuroplasticity, explaining how our thoughts can physically alter the structure of our brains. She urges that by consciously directing our thinking, we can improve mental and physical health. A significant portion of the book is dedicated to a 21-day brain detox plan, a 5-step program designed to help us eliminate negative thought patterns and replace them with positive ones. The steps include deliberate, conscious setting of goals, obtaining immediate feedback, and concentrating on both the process and the outcome. While the book offers valuable insights into the mind-brain connection, some readers have noted that the practical application of the 21-day brain detox plan could benefit from more detailed guidance. Despite this, many find the integration of scientific research with a faith-based perspective both informative and inspiring. Overall, Switch on Your Brain encourages us to take control of our thought life, highlighting the profound impact that intentional thinking can have on our health and happiness.